The problem states, sketch the graph of the line that passes through the point 2, 1 and has slope -2. So first we're going to draw our graph. So we know the horizontal axis is the x-axis and the vertical axis is the y-axis. Now let's just plot our numbers. So the problem says to sketch the graph that passes through the point 2, 1 and has a slope of -2. So first we're going to plot the point 2, 1. So this is x, y. Each time the point is written as x as the first number, y as the second number. So we're going to go to 2, 1. We're going to plot the point 2, 1. So we start at the origin. So x is 2, so we go over to 2. And y is 1, so that means we go up 1. Because y is up and down, it's the vertical axis. So the point 2, 1 is right here. 2x, 1y. So that's the point 2, 1. And now we're going to use the slope to sketch the graph. So the slope is -2. And we can put this over 1 to get a better understanding of the slope. Because the slope is just the rise over the run. Because if we know the slope formula, which is just the difference of the y's over the difference of the x's. So they already gave us what the slope was, so we don't have to figure that out. We don't need to use the slope formula to figure out the slope, because it's already given. So the slope is just -2 over 1. And we know the slope is just the rise over the run. So when we start at our point that they give us, 2, 1, we're going to use the slope to graph the line. So here the top number is -2, so that means it's going to be -2 rise. So rise means going up, but since there's a negative, that means we're going to go down. So this is 2, we're going to go down 2. So from here we're going to go down 1, 2. And then we're going to run 1, so 1 to the right because it's positive. So positive is going to the right, so we're going to run 1 over here. So again, from the point, right, we're here, so we're going to go down 1, 2, and over 1, which is right here. So I'm looking at the points. See, we're at 1 here, we go down 1 to 0, then we go down another 1 to -1, and then we're still at 2, so when we run 1, we go over to 3. So that's why I'm right here. And then we can do it again. So we're going to go down 2, 1, 2, and then over 1. Right here. Now, to sketch the graph, I'm just going to draw a straight line across the points that I plotted. Which starting point here, and 1, and another here. So we're just draw a straight line. So the problem says sketch, so it's not going to be a perfect straight line, but as long as you understand that this is a straight line passing through these points that we found using the slope, and this is the starting point 2, 1. So the graph should look like this.